I woke up early this morning and I was approached with some good news. I was like, I was so very happy for her. Whatever my friend told me, I was like, we thank God. But the thing is, the good news I heard does not match my hair. Look at the state my hair is in right now. It is no good news at all. Literally, something has to be done to it. If it's not for the scalp, guys, I tell you, you are not going to like this. Hey guys, if you are new here, I am Mixed Okran, and if you're a returning viewer, I don't know what to tell you all. Come for a hug. Thank you all for coming back. So today, I'll be taking you guys through what should I say? Birthday maintenance vlog. I don't know whether it will be a birthday maintenance vlog or the birthday itself because my birthday is like in 4 days. I have not done anything. It just came that, hey, next week is my birthday. I'm like, oh my God, what am I going to do? Because I literally have not planned or prep. Like, I was just living the life. Whatever comes, it comes. Like, that's all. No pressure. But the thing is, my sisters actually want to take me out, and this time around I want to wear a dress because your girl is a lover of trousers. Every good outfit in my closet are trousers, apart from the ones I sent to check that are a bit dressy. The rest are trousers. I'm like, this time around I want to wear a dress, but I do not have any. I've looked through, I don't even have a proper dress to send out in the evening. Hey, so now I am stuck here, like I don't know what to do, and I'm trying to find a dress, but we are hoping we'll get something nice to wear. Whatever I can do right now is like get my hair done. So from here, I'm going to the salon to get this hair fixed because even if you're not throwing a party, you're going to look good. You're going to look good for God, and that is all. I'm waiting for my gift, guys. I'll be waiting. No fake promises. CG just took out my light. The salon, I don't know whether it will come off. I'm coming to sleep. Yeah, I don't have anywhere to go than to sleep. These people, they're not being fair at all. They're not being fair because it's almost 4 p.m. It's almost 4 p.m. in the evening. I would have to go for a worship service at church. At least I'm so glad I'm starting my birthday week with a service of God. Like, I love worship. When I go to church and worship is done in Pesa, I don't want to miss worship for anything, but at times we do go late. The lights are back! Oh my God! ECG people, sorry for. But all the same, thank you guys for switching the lights on, guys. Bye bye. Purposely, I got you. Breathing. Don't mind my feet at all. Today is Sunday and look at me. I'm getting ready for church. I'm not properly done. Just left with the wig I want to wear. Good morning. I am so glad that my birthday maintenance, though I went to do my hair, but it's like I was maintaining this birthday with God because the whole week church activities has been back to back. And I am so glad, like I am definitely happy. Because what else can I say? I thank God. But today is not my birthday. It's actually the next day. I have this wig from Raini's group. I'll link her TikTok account in the description box. So I forgot to bring a comb. So this is the wig. The funny thing is, she did not cut the closure face for me, and today will be my first time cutting my own closure. I hope I don't cut all the hair, or else my boca. Hey, Jesus. Let me do it little by little. Let me cut it like this to see. Hey, yeah, I'm not dead. I'm alive in Jesus' name. I think we need to do more cutting. More cutting. Help me go. No longer blinded, I can see. Now I can do this on camera, guys. I'll see you guys. All these trials and tribulations got me tired. Guys, rate me. I think I did well. When weary of my flesh, you awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. I nailed the lace front. I was very nervous. I'm ready to go. We're on our way. I'm not going to miss the worship. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again.